If you've been waiting to feel back to normal before doing more, and that moment hasn't come yet, this episode is for you. Because emotional capacity doesn't come back all at once. It rebuilds through small, consistent signals of safety. And today I want to talk about how you can support that. Welcome to the Longevity Path with Dr. Ava, where ancient wisdom meets modern regenerative medicine. Today we're talking about daily practices that restore emotional capacity, not through motivation or discipline, but through nervous system regulation, warmth, and rhythm. Capacity returns through predictability. Your nervous system rebuilds through consistency, not intensity. Late winter is not the time for big resets, extreme routines, or overhauls. It's the season for regular meals, consistent sleep windows, predictable movement. Boring is regulating, and regulated systems recover faster. Now, mornings are going to set the emotional tone. What happens in the first hour of your day matters more than most people realize. Cold rushed mornings signal brace, prepare, push. But warm, steady mornings signal you're safe, we have time. This affects emotional reactivity all day long. Emotional output needs recovery time. Talking, caretaking, problem solving, and decision making all cost energy. Without recovery built in, emotional capacity shrinks. Short pauses and quiet moments matter, even if it's just 5 minutes. Recovery doesn't have to be long, it just has to be intentional. And keep in mind, evening downshifts protect tomorrow. Late winter systems struggle when evenings stay overstimulated. Screens, intense conversations, and late work keep the system alert when it should be settling. Simple downshifts like dim lights, warmth, slower pace, protect sleep and next day resilience. Patients often assume emotional recovery requires big shifts. But what actually restores capacity is removing friction, fewer decisions, less emotional labor, and more rhythm. When the body feels supported daily, resilience returns quietly. You don't rebuild emotional capacity by pushing harder. You build it by creating days your nervous system doesn't have to fight. So 2 things that you could do today: choose one anchor habit for each part of the day. Morning warmth, midday movement, evening downshift. Simple, repeatable. And schedule recovery like it matters, because it does. 5 minutes between demands is enough, and it'll change your nervous system's tone. If you want to know if your practices are working, ask this: do I recover faster after stress? That's the real measure of resilience. I hope you found this helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. Which anchor habits are you going to incorporate? And until next time, stay rooted, radiant, and beautifully balanced.